Okay, continuing on now with testing your movie. I showed you how to test your movie from Control Test Movie, which is done within Flash with a Flash player. Another way you want to do it is right inside your browser. Now, to do this, you need to set your publish settings first, and you need to publish the file, including an HTML file, so that when you go onto Publish Preview, HTML will be there. Right now, it just has the Flash, which is the same as going under your Control Test Movie. So we want to set our publish settings first. We're going to bring up Publish Settings. And in here, you can see we have Formats and Flash. So for Formats, we want to choose Flash, HTML. You could also set GIF. You can create a JPEG, QuickTime for Flash Movie. Just choose Flash and HTML. Go back to our, and you can set the version and a bunch of other different things, compressing your movie, the JPEG quality. And under HTML, there's other settings you can choose. The template it might use, Flash only template. Even the dimensions, you can match the movie. And HTML alignment, scale, and so on. So right from here, we can actually publish it. If you hit the publish button, you can see it's publishing. We'll hit OK now. And now our file is published for view inside a browser. We'll show you that in the next clip.